What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, starting this one out on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to include GIFs in your Instagram stories. GIFs, GIFs, I don't know what they're called. I'm going to call them GIFs. Anyways, what you want to do is snap a photo with this button, and then what we want to do is tap the smiley icon in the top right with the folded corner. Then we want to tap on this little animated one here on the left that says GIF on it. And then from here, we will have a whole bunch of GIFs to select from. And we can also search. So let's search something, unicorn. That will give us all of the GIFs with unicorns, and there's a lot of them. So they must have a ton of GIFs on here to choose from. Then I can select one of those, position that where I want it. Then I can type on this like I normally would. Can also draw on it. Then I can send that to my friends or story as I normally would. I'm just going to hit add to story. That one's been added. So let's also test this out to see if we can do it with a video or any of these other options down here. So let's start. This is a video with a GIF. We'll do the pizza. I'm going to add that to my story. Then we'll try boomerang, see if we can do that. And it looks like we can add a GIF to a boomerang as well. Then I'm going to add that to my story. And now let's go ahead and tap on my story and we can view that to see how it turned out. So here's the first one, a photo. The GIF is moving in the photo, that's pretty cool. Here it is on a video. And here it is on a boomerang. And I'm assuming you can do it with any of these options down here to include a GIF in your Instagram story. So there you have it, how to include GIFs in your Instagram stories. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Be sure to subscribe for daily social media videos just like this one. Also check out some of my other social media and subscribe to my other YouTube channel. I'll link it all down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.